In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign expenses to projects in Xero. This is a great way to keep your project costs accurate, recover billable expenses, and keep your reporting clean. Before we begin, make sure you have access to Xero projects in your organization and that the bill you want to assign is already entered in Xero. You'll also want to know which project the expense belongs to so you can find it quickly. Start by opening your browser and heading to xero.com. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the main dashboard. From there, look for the purchases area. Depending on your layout, it may be under your business menu, but the key is to open purchases so you can work with your supplier bills. Next, open bills. This is your list of bills to pay. Locate the bill that contains the expense you want to assign to a project. If the list is long, use the search or filters to narrow it down by supplier, status, or date. Click the bill to open it so you can work with its details. With the bill open, head to the top right and find the Bill Options drop-down. This menu holds a number of useful actions. Click it, then choose Assign Expenses to a customer or project. This is the feature that links the bill's costs to your project for accurate tracking and, if needed, billing back to a client. A panel will appear where you can search for the correct project, start typing the project name to bring it up, and select the one that matches. If your bill includes multiple line items, you'll typically be able to choose which lines to assign, so you only tag the costs that truly belong to that project. This helps you avoid over-allocating shared expenses. Once you've selected the right project and confirmed the appropriate lines, click Assign. Xero will process the assignment and tie those expenses to the project's cost ledger. If a confirmation prompt appears, click OK to finalize. That's it. The expense is now linked to the project and will show up in your project's costs and profitability reports. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see the project you need, check that it's been created in Xero projects and is active. If you accidentally assign the wrong item, you can return to the bill and adjust the assignment. And if an expense is billable to a client, this setup makes it much easier to invoice it later from the project. You've now assigned expenses to a project in Xero, keeping your job costing and reporting accurate and up to date.